Hi, it's Mary Kay. Another beautiful day in beautiful Marble Falls, Texas. The temperature's finally changing and we're getting some cooler weather. I want to talk to you today about shade gardening. I have a lot of people coming in and they have lots of trees like we have here at the nursery with what we call dappled shade. Now you can see that dappled shade means that there is some sunlight coming through at different parts of the day. It will be constantly moving, and we have a lot of plants that will tolerate and thrive in dappled shade. One of the hardest things to do is to find something that blooms in dappled shade. So I'm going to tell you about some ways that you can make attractive landscapes with things that maybe don't have a constant bloom, they have an occasional bloom. These plants right here, as you can see, they vary in color, texture, and form. We have some beautiful mahonias with some thick leaves. These would actually be deer resistant. They do have yellow flowers followed by blue berries, so they have kind of year-round interest. This particular one gets pretty tall, has a very structural form. I like to pair these with other plants with similar watering and light requirements, and these would be this Aztec grass right here, which will actually take some sun, has a variegation, and you can see with the grassy look it contrasts nicely with those thick dark leaves. This is a taller growing Liriope. It's called Emerald Goddess, and it does quite well in the shade. You can see the pretty blue flowers. We have the Variegated Flax lily. I love using this plant with darker green plants behind it or next to it. You can see how I varied the form and color, the leaf shape. There's another Mahonia over there. It doesn't get quite as tall as this thicker leafed one. That's I think the Indigo Flare only gets about 3 feet. And then we have a beautiful elephant ear over here. They just thrive in dappled sun. So you can see what a beautiful landscape that we can make in the shade. I encourage you to use multiples of odd numbers, 1s, 3s, 5s. Don't do a hodgepodge. It looks like a jack-in-the-box. You want to have something that is cohesive, contrasting, and the lighter variegations can bring color and brighten up your shade gardens. This is Mary Kay at Backbone Valley Nursery. Come see us for your shade garden needs.